Hey everyone, my name is Saurav, and today in this video we are going to learn how to deploy your HTML file on Netlify. Basically, in your initial days, like when you are learning web development, uh, you are doing it locally. Okay, you are all the like every development is done locally, but what if you have to show this thing to your friend? Okay, so you have to send the file basically HTML file so he can actually run in his browser. But like if you do some changes, then you have to again send this file to your friend, and if you have too many files, then you have to send all the files to your friend, like to see this all the HTML pages. So that's why deployment is necessary. Basically, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy your application which we have created in HTML. We are going to deploy on Netlify, and then you can there share the link in of the website. Like every other website, you share the link and you just open it. So let's start that. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, we have not on the screen. Maybe let me just see. Mm, yeah. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a website called Flipkart, and we have to deploy it on. Suppose someone has developed this, and we have to deploy it on Netlify. Okay. So what we will do, we will going to search Netlify. Okay. First, just write Netlify in your browser and click on it. You will see this website, Netlify. Okay, and you have to click on it. Once the website opened, you can see here login and sign up. So if you are new user, you can simply sign up, and you can simply sign up by your Google account and all the things. So, but I am actually already signed up with this. I am directly logging into this account. Okay, so you can sign up and you will get this kind of page here. Okay, so as you can see here, it is written here, add new site. Okay, so you can already see I have deployed some websites before that. Okay, so you have to click on this add new site and go to the deploy manually. Okay, click on it here, and whatever you have created, just put it inside a folder. Like suppose I have this is the HTML file. uh Suppose this is the HTML file, which is a sample Flipkart. Okay, now I'm going to just copy this on desktop for right now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a folder here and name it like anything. Just I want to name it like Flipkart, and put this file into this. Okay, now once you put this file into this folder, you can see here there is a file called sample.html. Now, if we want to upload on Netlify this folder, this HTML page, you have to make sure that the file name is index.html, because the Netlify will going to search that particular file to deploy it. So every website you're going to deploy on web, it has to be index.html file by default, because it is, it is a rule, I think web rule, that you have to create this index.html file, so that browser can simply not browser, the Netlify can simply identify the file, which file it's kind of an entry point. Okay, uh, the first page of the website, landing page, so we have to make it sure that it is index.html only. Once you rename it index.html, just a second, I think I am done. Index.html, yeah. Once you renamed it, you can simply just go to the website Netlify, and you can simply just minimize this, and you can simply just drag and drop this here. Okay, once you drag and drop, it is saying uploading. The when it's uploaded, it will be automatically refreshed, and as you can see, you got the link here. Now you can simply open it and you can see your website here. Okay, now you can share this link anywhere to your friend to show this website. So this is how we deploy this kind of HTML files and folders, like your website on Netlify. And one thing more, if you want, like you have so many pages here, as you can see, we have so many pages like blog sample. Okay, suppose this is the one HTML file you want to connect with this again website. Suppose if I click on electronics, it will open the blog sample. Okay, or if I click on home, it will open the blog sample. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to again change this, go to the Flipkart, and I'm going to open it. Okay, just a second, I'm going to open it in my VS Code. So any editor you want, okay, that you love. And once it's done, now you don't have to rename every file index.html. You just make sure that you have only one file, which is your landing page. It should be index.html. Okay. Now just go to the downloads folder, and which file you have to do that, like deploy it. This one. Suppose we are going to connect this file to our main website. Okay. So if you go there, you can see here. Okay. Where is the home button? I think. Okay, okay, sorry. In this index.html, there is a here is the home button. Okay, we have to open this block.html file when we click on it. So this is the home button. Okay, so as you can see here, here is already someone like written hashtag. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just delete it, and you have to give the path of this folder. So as you know, in like you don't have to provide the path like this. Just copy the relative path or something. You can simply put something like this. Like if it's in the same folder, you can simply put something like that. Block sample dot html. Okay, okay, just remove this comma. Block sample dot html. Now it will automatically just when you click, it will automatically catch it. So now we have updated our website. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to deploy it again. So where have to go? Where we have to go to the Netlify, and now you are going to deploy it second time. So if you go there on your Netlify dashboard, when you open it, you can see here, this is the website we have deployed. Okay, now click on it, and you will find here see, this is the tab. Okay, and you will simply find like we are going to update now. Okay, so what you can say, you have to click on deploy, and here you can see here, need to update your website. uh, Drag and drop the output folder here. Okay, so simply just what you have changed in the folder, simply just drag it and drop here, and now it's updated. It's saying uploading. Yeah, now it's updated. Now open it, and now I'm going to click on home. Now we will see the second page, which is blog sample. And as you can see here, we have successfully connected two pages with the same website. So this is it in this video, and we will meet in next one. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can do whatever you want, like subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you so much.